Hello friends, welcome to section 11. We are going to see about workspace setting in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Okay, this is a very important topic because once you making appropriate setting on workspace, then everything will become smooth. Okay, so we will see in detail. Before that, you remember that we have been looking on the understanding of civil 3D user interface last time, but it is only a simple topic. But when we go through it in detail, you will understand each and everything. Okay. So let us go to today's section. First of all, we have to know about the hierarchy of setting, because where to start the setting. Okay, because there are a lot of working space. You have to do something appropriate on the related to hierarchy. Okay, the first one is drawing level setting. Okay, let us come to the software. Look here. Everything is the setting is mostly done here. This is the setting tool. Okay, this is the workspace. As you can see, this it says tool space. So every tools are here. So every object you are going to see here. And first you have to do here every setting. Okay, this is the tool space, and here is the hierarchy. When you come to the hierarchy, first of all, you come to the first at the head. Or if this is, for example, it is telling about this drawing, the name of this drawing. It is Bacho Dam Topo. It says this is, if you do setting on this, then it controls everything, which means everything under this is work here. You mean just look. What you do is we will come to the details. Okay, just consider this is only the hierarchy. Next topic we're going to see every details, how to set everything. Okay, so when they come to hierarchy, you come here as the top. The name of this is the name of this drawing or this project. Therefore, is the setting you are doing here is the first that governs this project. Okay, the second, when you come under this, everything is here. So you will come to everything. For example, this is one object under this. So if you click it, it has also another object. Therefore, this is command. Okay, if there is anything under it, it is finally it is a command. Okay, command. Therefore, from the highest to the first object, the second object, then comes to the third, and like that. So if you click this, it may have its own. Therefore, you do like this, and finally you arrive at the command, the last command. Okay, final command. So this is what we have we see here. This is a drawing level, means that you are working on the project itself. The name of the project. That is as you see in that. Next, object or feature level. That means object and feature levels are under the top one. Okay, which means, as I've told you, this is the hierarchy, the highest level of command and setting. So if you do here, it governs most of the features, but you can specifically come down to the second, third, and fourth, so that you can make individual setting. Okay, you can change here different style once you make the general on the top. Okay, this is what does it mean. The command level is the final one. Finally, there is no under command, there is no anything. Okay, it may be a tool, it may be just a command. So this is the final setting. So these are the hierarchy of the setting in the AutoCAD. So this is very important. Here we have to know these are these points and objects are very important to look what you drawing you want to make what it look like. Okay, so we will see in detail how to make the setting in detail. So let us go to the next. The highest level of the hierarchy is drawing level, is the highest one. The drawing means the name of your drawing. Okay, it is, if you make the setting on this the drawing, then most of the features are done here. Okay, then it controls the different setting for many of the features. Of features means under the under the drawing. Okay, features of newly created objects. Then we will see, we will go to the how to get this setting. Just look here. Here are, we will see there are about 4 tabs. Okay, in this window, in the tool space. Okay, here is the toolbox, here is the survey, here is setting, here is prospector window. Therefore, most of the time we are going to see the setting part now, because to do the others you have to first set, so you adjust your settings in the window, in this setting window. Okay, so this is what to say, setting. Then after setting, you right click on this and edit feature. Okay, so, I don't want to go to detail here because next topic is just covering all these things. Okay, so just this is the procedure to arrive at the setting. Okay, the drawing setting dialog box will come. Okay, let us see. Just look. Here is, you have to ensure, you have to be sure that you select the setting part. If you are here, it is different. If you are here, it is different. So you have to be on the setting here in the setting tab. Okay, so right click on the drawing, right click and edit drawing setting. Okay. First of all, what I advise is you have to make some drawing, some kind of drawing, because editing is better than creating new. So make any drawing, then you can edit whatever you like. Okay, so I prefer this. I already have on my document, so I select this. So I go to setting, then right click on this, edit features. Okay, now this is a very important dialog box. Okay, this is very important. Just look at me. First, you have to change the units and zone. Zone means it is a geographical icon. Okay, geographically where you are. For example, first you have to make your country here. It says no data. By default, it will fill if you already set. First of all, you have to select your zone. Okay, if the zone is selected by default, if you select the country. So here are the name of the countries. So select your countries from here. Just my country is Ethiopia. So let me go to Ethiopia. Here it is, Ethiopia. You see, in Ethiopia we use the datum as adindan. Okay, adindan. There are different methods here. There are different zoning system. UTM is here, and adindan is the datum, and UTM is the projection. So what you have to see, if you select your country, there is a standard for every country. So in my country, it is by default selected the adindan. Okay, so here you are, after doing this, go to the other settings, drawing units. Okay, this is meters, for example. It is meters and feet are here. You can select. If your country use feet, you can choose feet. If then here you adjust the measurement of the angular units, and you make here the imperial to metric conversion if you want. Yeah, here is the conversion already. It is here. So from meter to from feet to meter is also here. From meter to, you see, you have all here. Okay, so then select object or scale object, insert from the drawing, from other drawings. So if you want to import the scales from other drawings, you can import here. Okay, all these things you do Then here available coordinate system is addendum. We select it already, and selected coordinate system is also addendum here. So description, everything is here, done. Then click apply. Okay, apply. Now all you do, all whatever you do on this drawing is just set to the already set. Okay, if you everything will be here. Okay, so you set the setting. This is the method what we are see example on the drawing level setting. So we make settings for our drawing. The next the abbreviations tab of, okay, let me do it again. Here I want to show something. Yeah, after zoning, yeah, just transformation. Okay, for example, I press transformation setting because if you want to make from addendum to other, you select here because it will ask the where to the reference point and others. So if you want, but I don't want for time being, I will jump. Okay, then the other is the object layer. Okay, these are the object layer. For example, these are all the elements here are here coming here. Okay, so for everything you will select that means. For example, if you do alignment, okay, what do you need the modifier? If you need, just click here. It says prefix. If you add prefix, you add prefix. If you add suffix, you suffix. You add suffix. So yeah, it is your preference. Okay. After the for each parameters that we make on the alignment. Okay, values here. If you add numerically, you can. There, if you want to lock, it is locked already. I touch it, but it should be unlocked. This then do all for this. For all parameters you are going to use in your drawing, we will see everything here step by step. So these are the parameters. So for each parameters you are doing here, you will adjust everything here. Okay, so your drawing looks what you set here. So these parameters are exactly the copy of these parameters because we adjust here, and we finally we use these tools to make our design. Okay, then abbreviations. For example, abbreviations. Just you will define here abbreviations also. General text, for example, infinity. Just the value. It is simple like this. So if you have something in text infinity, it will be written like this. Left L. You can edit. Okay, you can edit it. For example, it is left. So it says it will be here. Okay, then if you want to then you select here the font, whatever you like. Let us make, for example, say it okay, let me like this, and it says L, but I can make it left. You see here, just I'm writing here. If you see that it is the black window, the editing menu, it is editing window. Okay, so I make like this. So look here, I think it's something left is a little bit okay, the abbreviation is not right. Okay, let me, I think this is not the correct okay, let us make it New Times New Roman. Yeah, times, no, left. Let me make it left. You see, yeah, there is something wrong actually. Maybe here, when you would write it, it will come the right. This is the code that the computer use. Maybe it is like that, but just you can make you can adjust all these things like this. These are the default abbreviations. So you can change by yourself. And ambient, these are okay. for example, if you the values, if you want this, look, for example, degree of curvature, the degree of curvature on rod and curve setting, okay. The unit of code length is this much, is by default. You can change as your country standard. And arc length, okay. And labeling, for example, labeling promote method, it is okay, command line, yes, you see, which means labeled, you can make on the command line. That means, so you can time, for example, in minutes, and precision in 3 after digits. That means round format, you can round it, okay, like that. So this is the setting for the main drawing. This is the drawing setting, okay. This is the Bacho Dam topo. Okay, I didn't save it because I don't want it to save. Okay, next, what we will see is the abbreviations. Yes, we have seen the abbreviations, and object feature level. After drawing, you are come to object feature level. Objects are created. As objects are created, they are automatically assigned different types: object style, label style, or pose. This means, look, object style means when you adjust object style, it changes our drawing, the features, what it looks like, the color, the line, the thickness, and everything on the drawing. Okay, this is object style. This is called object style. The next is the object. After object style, you have label style. Label style means, for example, if you have some numbers on this, annotated on this, this means those numbers or text, they are called labels. So you will adjust the label style on that. That means, okay. The other one is the table style. Okay. We will see table style. Actually, on the drawing, we will make the object style, the drawing color, the drawing thickness, or whatever. Label style, the color, and the font of the tables, this text and numbers. Okay. Okay. This style label, the settings represent the second hierarchy. This means this is doing on this object. It means these are the objects. These are all are the objects, by the way. And finally, we arrived at the command. The command. These are the commands. After this, if you I touch this, there is nothing under this. Okay, this is the final. There is no plus sign here. So these are commands. All the things above them are objects. For example, shape style is another object. So we make all this, just when we right click on it, we can edit this. We can say make setting on this. We will see next. But now at this time, you have to know only the hierarchy of the commands of the setting. Okay. Yeah. Next, users can take advantage of the predefined styles installed with Civil 3D, or create your own. Okay, styles you can change your own, or you can use a predefined one. The next one is just there are 3 styles. Okay, 3 styles. The object style, it is just talking about the drawing. The label style, talking about the texts that are automatically generated from the drawing when you annotate. You annotate, or you call the labels. Okay, these are it's called the labels. Table styles are tables that are generated from your drawing. Yeah, a lot of tables. You can make the report from the table. So we will see each of them next time, and we will do examples. Okay, and this is all about for today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please subscribe, because this is very important for you. And if you subscribe, we will get advantage and promote this channel. Okay. Thank you very much for today. See you next